How to get the solar auto drill in your once human game if you're playing it on your PC or if you're playing it on any other device. Then how you can get this feature called solar auto drill on your account on once human. For this, what we have to do is follow the steps that I'm telling you right now on the screen. So to do this, what you have to do is first is unlock the schematic. Second, craft the solar auto drill, then learn how to use it effectively. Now, I will tell you all the steps that how you can do it one by one. Once you have reached the level 35 with your character, open the memetics page and specialization category. Here you will find the drill schematic needed. Craft the solar auto drill. After unlocking the schematic, follow these steps to craft the solar auto drill. Go to your intermediate supplies workbench. This specialized workbench allows you to create various tools and items including the solar auto drill. Gather 40 tungsten ignorts. These ignorts required materials for crafting auto drill. So, start crafting the solar auto drill in the intermediate supplies workbench with the required materials. This is how you can do it. That is quite easy. You can do it just in some seconds. Thank you so much for watching this video.